Good morning, third graders. So we're going to do our application problem for lesson 20, which you will find on page 119. So I just wrote some stuff down to show you really quick. It says model 3 times 4 on a place value chart, then explain how the array can help you solve 30 times 4. So I made a place value chart and I labeled it tens and ones. So I just drew the array right inside of the chart. So 3 times 4 is the problem. So remember, that is 3 groups with 4 in each group. And that's exactly what I drew here. And 3 times 4 equals 12. But then you also have to explain how the array can help you solve 30 times 4. So I took the same chart here, but I put it in the tens place instead because we're talking about 30 instead of 3. So these are all tens instead of ones. So again, though, if you add them up, because there's still 3 groups of 4, they're just tens this time. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. 30 times 4 equals 120. So then you have to explain it in words. And I just put down for you, and I'll show you this. This array shows you 3 ones times 4 ones, which equals 12 tens or 120. And you can play this back to get to write down more if you need more time to write it down, since I'm going to be moving on. All right, we're also going to go to the problem set. All right, so let me show you the problem set. So for number 1 on page 121, they want you to use the chart to complete the equations, then solve. The first one has been done for you. So they have a chart again, tens and ones. The problem is 2 times 4 in parentheses times 10. It equals 8 ones times 10 equals 80. So they kind of charted that for you. They took 2 times 4, so 2 groups of 4, which equals 8, right? But then they have to multiply that by 10. So again, just like in the application problem, I took the same amount and we're going to put it in the tens place now. So now it transferred over to the tens, because 8 ones times 10 is going to give us 80. 8 times 10 equals 80. So we're going to do the same thing with B. B is 2 times 4 times 10. So first off, 2 is just one. We have 2 times 4 times 10. So it's one group of 4 first, which we have right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have to double that because it says 2 times. So then we double it 4 times 10. So if we do that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 2 times 4 tens. So 4 tens, boys and girls, 10, 20, 30, that's 40. Double it. 40 plus 40 is 80. Okay? That's how we do that one. You guys can do C and D on your own. Then we're going to go on over here to number 2, which just says place parentheses in the equations to find the related facts, then solve. The first one has been done for you. So again, it says 2 times 20 equals 2 times, in parentheses, 2 times 10. So they're going to break it up. First, they're going to do 2 times 2 in parentheses times 10. 2 times 2 is 4, times 10 equals 40. Let's do the second one here. 2 times 30 equals 2 times, in parentheses, 3 times 10. So 2 times 3 in parentheses is 6, boys and girls. Times 10, it's going to give us 60. You can do the other 2 on your own. And let me show you how we do number 3. All right, number 3 says, Gabriella solves 20 times 4 by thinking about 10 times 8. Explain her strategy. So she's going to first write 20 times 4 equals, and we're going to break it up, boys and girls, like this. In parentheses, we're going to put 10 times 2 because 10 times 2 gives us 20, okay? And then we're going to multiply that by 4 because we still have to worry about the 4 over here. So then we're going to do that. We're going to do 10 times 2 times 4. So we're going to write it just like this. We're going to change the parentheses a little bit. 10 times 2 times 4, okay? And then we're going to solve it. And we're going to equals 10 times 2 times 4 is 8, equals 10 times 8 equals 80, all right? So she breaks the 20 times 4 into 10 times 2 times 4. Then she moves the parentheses over to 2 times 4. This makes the problem easier to solve. Instead of thinking of the problem as 20 times 4, she can solve by thinking of an easier fact, 10 times 8. So you guys can, again, review this if you need to. You also need to do the exit ticket, please, on page 123. All right, I'll see you guys Monday at 10:45. Have a great weekend.